human beings work in and around large dozers and end loaders. It's that type of equipment, very hazardous work. And so we've had folks that have been injured, crushing injuries. We've had cases where a piece of equipment, because of faulty hydraulics, maintenance, and so forth, we've had fires. People have been horribly burned. We've even had cases where people are working on a piece of equipment, and either because of a bad design or improper maintenance, they've fallen from these large pieces of equipment. And it's one thing to marvel at one of these when you're driving down the highway on a road construction site. You look and see how big these trucks can be and how big these pieces of equipment are. But step back for a moment and think about what it's like for someone to work on that large piece of equipment and the consequences of when something goes wrong. So we've had a track record of representing folks. We've represented, maybe a company came in and did some repair work on that piece of equipment, and that's what caused the fire. So we've had third parties that are responsible. We've even had situations where we've been able to hold an employer responsible, depending on the laws in different states. We've had situations where the product maker, whoever built the product, is responsible. You need to have someone involved early on that can step back and look at it in a very objective, legal way with the right kind of experience and background, and then come back and say, here's what I think your options are. So if you or someone you've known injured dealing with a piece of heavy equipment, you should contact Bailey, Javins & Carter.